Hello again. It's What's New Wednesday.
We have important news to share today, so we're going to start off with that.
If you follow us on social media, you may have already seen that our library is back to curbside service only as of this week.
This is a decision we didn't want to make, but in light of our county's recent spike in coronavirus cases, it was unavoidable.
Curbside service will be available Monday through Thursday by appointment only, and you can call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve items and schedule a pickup.
Our buildings will be closed to the public at least through the middle of December.
We will reevaluate at that time based on our county's caseload and recommendations from state and local officials.
You can find more information about our curbside service on our website.
While our buildings may be closed, we will still be sharing daily videos like this one, so you can check all those out on our Facebook page and YouTube channel to see how we're continuing to serve the community through this pandemic. We will have a few special videos coming up, so you definitely won't want to miss those.
And we'll also be continuing to pass out our take-home activity kits through curbside service. We have one more set of the kits for elementary, middle, and high school students before the end of the year.
The deadline to receive those kits, however, is today. Make sure you've signed up at the link in the video description so you'll receive those activity kits. You must sign up no later than 4 p.m. today.
Storytime age children will continue to receive weekly kits through the middle of December.
You can register for kits for Storytime age children at the same link.
Again, it is important that you register in advance of the 4 p.m. deadline today if you want to receive next week's kits, since we will be closed for Thanksgiving holiday tomorrow and Friday.
And speaking of deadlines, the deadline for the favorite book essay contest is coming up quickly. This is for middle and high school students.
To participate in this contest, all you need to do is write a one-page essay about your favorite book, including a summary, why you loved it, and what it taught you.
You can send us your essays using the contest entries form on our website no later than 4 p.m. on this coming Monday, November 30th.
We will award a prize to the best essays in each of the two age groups.
Call us again at 270-338-4760 if you have questions about curbside service, craft kits, or any of our other activities.
Before we end this week's video, as always, we want to highlight a few of our new items. New materials this week include a new story for the cold weather days, Once Upon a Winter Day by Liza Woodruff. This children's story follows Milo as he plays outside in the snow. He follows animal footprints and invents imaginative stories of his own. How the King of Elfhame Learned to Hate Stories. Holly Black gives us an irresistible return to the captivating world of Elfhame in this YA novel that is part of the Folk of the Air series. This tale is set before the cruel prince and gives us a look at the future High King Cardan as a fairy child. Ready Player 2 by Ernest Cline is the much anticipated sequel to the bestseller and film by Steven Spielberg, Ready Player 1. Taking place just after the end of that adventure, Wade Watts makes a startling discovery hidden in Holliday's vaults. A new riddle, a new quest, a mysterious prize, and an unexpected new rival await. Awakening by Nora Roberts is the first book in the Dragonheart Legacy series. In the realm of Talam, a teenage warrior named Keegan uses a powerful sword to protect the Fae. Meanwhile, in the realm named Philadelphia, a middle school teacher discovers a treasure of her own. And last we have from Kathie Gifford. After stepping out of the spotlight, she has released a non-fiction title about her life in front of the cameras and her life after they turned off. It's Never Too Late draws on stories spanning her childhood, her rise to fame with Regis, and her decision to leave television to focus on what really mattered to her.
All of these items and the rest of our collection will be available to you through curbside service. Just visit our online catalog to place a hold for the items you want, or you can give us a call to reserve those items.
That's all we have for this week's What's New Wednesday video. Thanks for joining us, and have a great week.